Welcome to my channel. I'm Tracie Reed and this is Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's a little bit chilly here in Florida, but it's a nice break from the hot weather that we have in the summer, so I'm enjoying it. So on to the painting. Today I'm using an 8x16 canvas. I've got my spouted, a 6-ounce spouted cup that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be doing a ribbon pour. Now, I don't know if I've ever done, I may have done one like several years ago, but I have seen a couple of Chris Jesik's ribbon pours, and they are just gorgeous. So I'm going to give it a go and see how it turns out. All right, so the first color that I've got is from Soho and it's mineral blue. My next color is from Anita's. It is pearl blue. And then I've got a color that I mixed two together. This is the Fine Touch Phthalo Turquoise mixed with GAC800 Dazzling Metallics Pearl, Peacock Pearl. Then I've got, I'll show you this one here. It is just a gorgeous metallic-y color. It looks really kind of a deeper gold, but it's actually three that I mixed, whoops, three that I mixed together. I had a little bit of each one left over, so I had more of the GAC800 24 karat gold. I had a little bit of these two, the copper and also extreme sheen bronze, and it just made this just rich, luscious looking color. So I'm excited to use that. And then the color that I'm going to put down first as my base is really, really pretty. I think it's called Lace. Let me double check. Pearl Lace. It is another one from Anita's. And I really like some of Anita's metallic colors. They're really, really pretty. So I'm gonna try that one. I hadn't tried the lace yet. It has a little bit of a yellowish, you know, looking color to it, hue to it. So it's really, really, really pretty, and I'm hoping that it will look very nice as a back color to the other colors. So all of my paints are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And they were mixed at a ratio of 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium, except for the Anita's, and they were both 2 parts pouring medium, 1 part paint to 2 parts pouring medium. Now I did have to add a little bit of water to the blue pearl because it had been sitting. I used it a couple paintings ago, I think. Sometimes I'm not sure of the order that my paintings go when I release them on YouTube, so it could have been a few paintings ago. I'm not real sure. Anyway, so I'm gonna fill the cup up first and then I'll put my base color down. So I have sort of an order of how I wanted to put these in the cup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, start layering them in there. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I do have a Facebook group as well. It's also called Acrylic Pouring with Friends, and also Instagram if you prefer Instagram, same name. So it's easier for me, or easier for you guys to find me. I have the same name everywhere. And also I do design and print pretty much all of my tools that you see me use, from my cups, my mixing flip cups, my stir sticks, my canvas levelers. I pretty much have designed and printed all of these. And if you are in the need, you can go ahead and check out my Etsy shop where all of my stuff is available. And all of my products that are listed there have been thoroughly tested by me, because obviously you see me using them, and they don't go there, they don't go into my Etsy shop, they don't go for sale until I've tested and make sure that they work. I mean, because I use them as well, so I need them to work for me as well. And I don't want to put my name on something that doesn't work. So you guys, if you're interested, like I said, if you're in need for any acrylic pouring tools, go check out acrylicpouringtools.com, and then you'll be able to find me. And I do want to give a shout out and a big thanks to everybody that has purchased from me over the last year. It has been an amazing year. You know, started out with one product, and now I think I have like over 30. So it's gone crazy, and I just wanted to give you guys a big thank you. Very, very much appreciated. And my husband and I are continuously trying to, you know, design new things and make existing things tweaked and make them a little better if possible. And so, you know, we have lots of stuff that we're doing all the time. All right, and so again, I just wanted to say thanks, guys. And I do really appreciate when you give me a good review. It really does help me in my shop as well. So thank you guys very, very much. All right, so I've got my cup here. I'm hoping that that's enough. If not, I can always add more, because it's, like I said, it's been a while since I've done a ribbon pour, so I'm kind of winging it actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down in the middle. All right, and then I'm not covering the whole thing, but I am gonna just kind of try to cover it a little bit. All right, and then kind of back to the middle, and I'm going to just go over this real quick with my torch, just because I did have to stir this up just a touch because I made it the other day. And a lot of times what happens is I make stuff days ahead of time, and then something happens and I can't get in here to paint, so sometimes my paint sits for a while. So I sometimes have to stir it up, but I hate air bubbles. So this looks pretty good. I don't really see anything. All right, so actually I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add one more little bit of blue. I'd like the blue to hit first on the canvas. I mean, that doesn't always mean it's going to. All right, guys, here we go.
everybody, here we go with the dried photos, and I am pretty happy with the dried result. I hadn't done one of these before, so this one was really super fun, and I definitely will be doing some more ribbon pours. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And one way to help my channel out is to share this video. So if you know anybody that might like it, go ahead and share it with them. And also don't forget, guys, to check out acrylicpouringtools.com for all of your acrylic pouring tool needs. And I do hope you enjoyed my video today, and I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.